Meaning of grammar.
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 Grammar. Grammar refers to the set of rules and principles that govern the structure and usage of a language. It encompasses the proper use of syntax, punctuation, spelling, word choice, and other elements of language. The knowledge of grammar allows speakers and writers to express themselves clearly and effectively in both oral and written communication. Without grammar, communication would be chaotic and confusing, making it difficult for people to understand each other. Consequently, grammar plays a crucial role in facilitating effective communication in languages, enabling people to communicate with each other more efficiently and accurately.